How's it going, everybody? I just picked up a new little toy. Thought I'd do a little review on it. So I recently picked up the tower light and generator work set from RZ Construction Models. Let's see. It's a pretty neat little set here. Let's see if we can give you a couple little dimensions on the generator. So the generator is about 7 5/8 wide, about 3 5/8 tall, and about 3.5 inches deep. And I don't know if you can see in the frame here, but has plenty of room for a rather large battery. Let's see. So tower lights, give you a quick dimension on those. So each tower light's about 27, 28 inches tall, depending on how it's adjusted there. And let's see, one really neat feature about these is that these are actually activated by a key fob, and I'll go ahead and show you that now. Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. Not so much, huh? No. Oh, damn. All right, let's do this. Just adjust the camera a little bit. All right, there we go. Now we got those all in view. Give you a good shot of what those look like. See if we can get zoomed in on one a little bit. And these suckers are pretty bright. And one thing I like about them, they're remote controlled. So I'll go ahead and show you that now. These are actually run off of a key fob. As you can see right there, it's just like a little generic electronics store key fob. But let me click the lights off and we'll show you how bright these things really are. Just click them on one at a time here. There you go. So as you can see, those are pretty nice and bright. I'm pretty happy with these things. They're pretty neat. Pretty nice little addition to, I don't know, your scale construction site or whatnot. Let's see. Is there anything else I'm missing? The gentleman that made these, his name is Raymond Zoller, RZ Construction Models, and once I post the video, I'll go ahead and put a link to his Facebook page in the comments there. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with these. They came out pretty nice. They look good, and I'm really digging the remote control feature. One other thing, the set came with 4 lights, but it is expandable. Raymond actually threw me in there some splitters. So if you want, you can actually expand this set out. It runs on 11.1 volt LiPo. Keeps everything nice and bright. Let's see. I'm really digging the generator here. As you can see, the doors open and close, both of those. You can see when the generator's on, no problem. A lot of detail. Nice cat logos there. Another one there. It's even got little crane hooks on the corner. Nice little piece. All right, so I think that's about it on those. Let's see. One last little note. If your currency is either the euro or the sterling, I definitely recommend picking up a set of these, as the conversion rate, the currency rates are very advantageous. Let's see. Other than that, I think I covered everything. Well, maybe I can give you a quick look at the base here. a little more detail. So base is just about 3.5 inches square, and just under 2 inches thick, about 1 3/4 inches. Another cool thing about the base, you can see them here, they're actually weighted down on the bottom to help them stay stable. All right, guys, I think that's going to be about it for this one. I think I'm gonna go and sign off here. And like I said, if you think these tower lights are cool, I definitely recommend Raymond. Seems like a real straight up guy, and he came through on a nice product. And I'm gonna go ahead and get on out of here now. And we'll see you next time.